Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this error code 59. The GPU failed to perform image processing because of an error. So I'll show you this video how you can fix this problem. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so what you have to do to fix this problem is to head over to Files, to Davinci Resolve and Preferences, and here we have to go to Memory and GPU, and here if you need to select this one. In here make sure your SSD is not full. Make sure you have more memory, and also select GPU selection. If it's selected auto, please deselect and select here your GPU. And as I said, please select this one and save now. Okay. Now this error doesn't appear at all. So that's how you solve this problem. If you have any other, like if this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section. Maybe you know a different way to solve this problem. If you tried, let me know if you tried. What are the results. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.